During this presentation, we're going to be going through the new app, the Insight Quanta app. As you can see, I've already got it installed here on this device in the bottom left. I'm just going to go ahead and tap and open it in the meantime. So just as a reminder, the Insight Quanta app, the way it is designed, it works with the existing Genius Insight app. The Insight Quanta app is designed for your clients to purchase so that they can import any frequencies that you actually want to export through the Genius Insight app. Sounds confusing, I know. We're going to go through it. You'll see it's super simple. So just as a quick reminder, the Insight Quanta should be purchased by your clients, not necessarily by you to install on the same device that you have the Genius Insight on. It just doesn't make much sense. I will explain that later. What is important for the Insight Quanta to work is that once they have made the purchase, they've downloaded the app and they've actually signed up and created a profile. Because in order for you to send them the frequencies, you need to be able to get their email address, and that email address needs to be registered with Insight Quanta. So first of all, from the Genius Insight process, really simple process, you go ahead and you open up the Genius Insight. As you can see, we're on the system overview page here. So typically, any item that you drag down to the main hold tray, as you can see, I'm just busy dragging a few down. Any items that you drag into the main hold tray, you can export all of those to the Insight Quanta. So you can go through all the various programs, the sub-programs, the progressive insights, the functional zones, anything along those lines. Drag them all into the main hold tray, and then go up to your accessories, your navigation, you'll tap on your accessories, and then there you can see we've got a Quanta capsule. Super simple. Select the Quanta capsule. Now you would enter in the email address of the person who actually owns the Insight Quanta, and in this case, I think I'm registered with this email address. You go ahead and you click OK. Once I click OK, it should automatically send an email. Great. Email sent to user. So now the person that owns the Insight Quanta, they are going to get an email, and that email is going to give them a specific code to enter. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up the Insight Quanta just for demonstration purposes. The Insight Quanta is now open, and as you can see, everything is black. However, if I want to get the code, let me just quickly grab the code. And as you can see, I have the code over there. I'm going to go ahead and enter in the code. So let's just go ahead and enter in the code. By the navigation, I tap on the navigation in the top right. It says Import Genie Quanta. Tap on that, and off we go. N F B M L K Q Q 8 and U. I click done. I then click OK, and as you can see, I have now imported all of those items into the Insight Quanta that were on the main hold tray. From here, real simple process. Take the organs, drag it down there. Take the hormones, drag it down there. Take the body systems, I drag it down there. I can set my timer, however many minutes. Typically, I advocate anywhere from about 7 to about 15 minutes with these, and you go ahead and you select start. And now the balancing frequencies will begin. It really is that simple in terms of how to actually use the Insight Quanta. Just a couple of other items as well. If you want to clear the list, in other words, as a practitioner, you're going to send them more codes, you first of all want to clear what we already have. Go ahead and tap the clear list. Import fractals. This is something we're currently working on, but it will give the user the ability to import customized fractals to enhance their balancing session. And then if you want to contact support, you just go ahead and click on that, and shortly you'll be able to email us directly from within the app. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the clear list. Do you want to clear items? Yes, I do. And as you can see, we are now back to square one. And then I can go ahead and tap on the import again if I have new codes that I need to import. Hope you've enjoyed this. If you don't have the Insight Quanta yet, if your clients don't have it, click on the Buy Now button, get involved. It's a great product, something really easy for you to use and super easy for your clientele to use it as well. Just remember that purchase, it's a one-time purchase. They don't need to spend, 49 minutes each and every time. So once they actually have purchased the app, you can then send them Quanta codes as often as you like. Typically, most of the practitioners actually charge for that because it is a service. You are running an analysis and then you are exporting those digital signatures to the client. It is a fee-based service, and I certainly would advocate that you charge appropriately. Thank you.